Hi, in this video I will show how to convert VTT subtitles to SMI. You can see on my computer I have a VTT file and I can double click on it to open into a VTT viewer. It's a free app, it's showing what is inside a VTT file. And you can see I have a start time, end time in milliseconds and text. Also I can export file into different formats like Excel, Word, CSV, text, etc. So I will be using this file to convert it into SMI, and in order to do this I will download and install application from this website. I will leave links to site into description. To find application I'll click on search and type Vtt To Smi, and I need this page. I will click on it, click on download button to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded to my local computer. I will be recording more videos on different subtitles converters and applications that are capable to convert from one format, subtitles format to another, and also create subtitles from different sources like text, Word, Excel. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video. Thank you. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info on this screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. Finish. And I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step we will select files we would like to convert to SMI. I will click on this button, navigate to my subtitles folders and select subtitle file, click on open and click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet. I'll just click on next step, and on final step I will click run to start conversion. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save and file has been created. Let's go and see file. I have a SME viewer, it's also free app. It's showing what is inside of SME file and also allow me to export it to Word, Excel, etc. But you can see it has we have all our subtitles converted from beginning to end, and also I can open it into Notepad just to show you that this is a real SME files with all data converted. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.